Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reopen View Once photos in WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. When someone sends you a View Once photo or video on WhatsApp, you can only open it once. After viewing, the message changes and the media becomes inaccessible. To work around this, here's what you can do. Before opening the View Once media, do not tap on it. Instead, go to the chat where the media was sent. Tap on the contact name in the top and select Export Chat. This feature allows you to export the entire conversation, including all media files, photos, videos, and messages. Choose whether to include media when prompted. Once exported, the data will be saved to your device, and you'll receive a file that contains everything from that chat. So that's basically how you can reopen View Once photos in WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.